Hey guys, welcome back to Rich Value, your go-to channel for tips on making money and boosting your income. Today, I'm sharing 8 practical and flexible methods that are perfect for students like you. Let's get into it. First up, freelancing. It's an incredible way to leverage your skills and turn them into a steady income stream. You have valuable skills that businesses and individuals are willing to pay for. Whether it's writing, graphic design, programming, or marketing, there's a demand for your expertise. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients worldwide. These platforms make it easy to find work, communicate with clients, and get paid securely. Set your own rates, work on projects that interest you, and be your own boss. You have the freedom to choose the projects that align with your interests and skills. Create a killer profile showcasing your expertise and past projects. Highlight your strengths and make sure to include samples of your best work. Set competitive rates and gradually increase them as you gain experience. Start with rates that reflect your current skill level and adjust them as you build your reputation. Freelancing offers flexibility, allowing you to fit projects around your class schedule. You can work from anywhere, whether it's your dorm room, the library, or a coffee shop. Gain real-world experience, build your portfolio, and make serious cash while pursuing your degree. Freelancing helps you develop time management skills and professional relationships. Ditch the traditional part-time job and become your own boss with freelancing. Enjoy the freedom and flexibility that comes with being a freelancer, and take control of your career path. Next up, online tutoring. This is a fantastic opportunity for those who have a passion for teaching and a strong grasp of a particular subject. Whether you're a math whiz, a science guru, or a language expert, there's a place for you in the world of online tutoring. If you excel in a subject, there are countless students out there who are willing to pay for your expertise. From high school students struggling with algebra to college students needing help with advanced physics, the demand is vast and varied. Platforms like Chegg, Tutor.com, and Wizant make it incredibly easy to connect with students from all over the world. These platforms provide a seamless interface for both tutors and students, ensuring that the focus remains on learning. One of the best parts about online tutoring is the flexibility it offers. You can set your own hours, work from the comfort of your dorm room or home, and earn a significant income while doing so. This flexibility allows you to balance tutoring with your own studies or other commitments. The pay for online tutoring can be quite lucrative, ranging from $10 to $50 an hour, depending on your experience and the subject you teach. This means that not only are you helping others succeed, but you're also earning a respectable income. To attract more students, it's important to highlight your academic achievements and teaching experience in your profile. Uploading certificates, showcasing your qualifications, and providing testimonials from previous students can make your profile stand out. Use interactive tools such as online whiteboards, video calls, and other digital resources to make your tutoring sessions more effective and engaging. These tools can help bridge the gap between traditional and online learning. Online tutoring is not just a way to make money. It's a rewarding and flexible way to help others succeed. Seeing your students improve and achieve their goals can be incredibly fulfilling. So if you have the knowledge and the passion, why not share it and earn top dollar while doing so? You're already taking meticulous notes in class, so why not earn passive income by selling them? Platforms like Stuvia and Nexus Notes allow you to sell study materials. Create comprehensive, well-organized notes with visual appeal. Price your notes competitively and offer discounts for bulk purchases. Promote your notes on social media and student forums. Selling notes is a true passive income stream, generating income semester after semester. Help your fellow students ace their exams while earning extra cash. Content creation. It's an exciting and dynamic way to share what you love with the world. Share your passion on platforms like YouTube and blogging. These platforms give you the opportunity to reach a global audience and connect with like-minded individuals. Choose a niche you're passionate about and create high-quality, engaging content. Whether it's cooking, travel, tech reviews, or fashion, your enthusiasm will shine through and attract viewers. Invest in good equipment for top-notch audio and video quality. A clear picture and crisp sound can make a huge difference in how your content is received. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. As your audience grows, so will your earning potential. Partner with brands and promote their products through sponsored content. This can be a lucrative way to earn money while sharing products you believe in. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn passive income by recommending products. When your audience makes a purchase through your links, you earn a commission. Building a successful channel or blog takes time and effort, so stay consistent. Regular uploads and updates keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Provide value to your audience and watch your passion turn into profit. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, and always strive to improve your content. Your dedication will pay off. Part-time jobs and campus jobs offer steady income and valuable experience. Classic part-time jobs include working at coffee shops, retail stores, and restaurants. Campus jobs offer flexible hours and networking opportunities within your field. Gain practical experience and boost your resume with part-time research assistant positions. Utilize online job boards, career services, and networking to find part-time jobs. Part-time jobs are about earning money and gaining valuable work experience. Embrace the opportunity to learn and grow while earning extra income. Sell your old stuff. Platforms like eBay, Depop, and Facebook Marketplace make it easy. Sell textbooks, clothes, and electronics to declutter and make money. List textbooks online at the end of each semester to recoup expenses. Sell clothes on Depop or Poshmark and give them a second chance to shine. List electronics on eBay or Facebook Marketplace and watch the bids roll in. Selling old stuff promotes sustainability and earns extra cash. Turn clutter into cash and enjoy a minimalist lifestyle. Food delivery or ride sharing. Apps like Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Lyft offer flexibility. Use your car, bike, or scooter to earn money on your own terms. Work whenever it's convenient for you, balancing studies and earning potential. Be your own boss and set your own schedule. Earn a decent hourly wage, especially during peak hours and weekends. Enjoy the freedom and flexibility of being your own boss. Deliver meals or provide rides while earning money. Turn your vehicle into a money-making machine. Social media management. Get paid for managing social media for businesses. Offer your services to local businesses and startups. Create engaging posts, manage social media calendars, and track analytics. Build a portfolio of successful campaigns and charge higher rates. Social media management is in high demand and can be done entirely online. Flex your creative muscles and earn a substantial income. And there you have it. 8 easy ways to make money as a student. Every dollar you earn is a step towards financial freedom and a brighter future. Let me know in the comments which method you're most excited to try. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Rich Value for more tips on making money and building wealth. Stay rich!